Say goodbye to the old searches. Refresh your Threads experience in just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to clear search history on Threads. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Threads app on your device. Tap the search icon that is usually at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the search page where your recent searches are displayed. Tap on the search bar and look for the clear option at the top. Click on this option. Your search history will be now cleared. So this is how to clear search history on Threads. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.